Hi, boys and girls. I'm recording your bedtime story today using a new app called Screencast-O-Matic. I'm hoping that this will allow you to see the pictures more clearly and still be able to see me because I miss you terribly. So here we go. This is a story from our one of our apps on Clever that you can access through the District Clever portal. I think you'll be hearing more about that next week. But you can actually find this book and read it at your home. Okay, here we go. This is called Tucker Bean, and it's authored by Jill Calls and illustrated by Benton Mahan. Tucker Bean. Before I go to school each day, I say goodbye to Tucker Bean. He sniffles and snuffles, his tongue rolls out, his shiny black eyes blink in time with the clock. But when the bus turns the corner, I think he smiles real wide. His tail thumps like a drum, adventures fill his puppy head. Tucker Bean hops on a racehorse. They thunder down the track. Tucker Bean climbs the stairs of the tallest lighthouse. He saves a ship from the rocks. Tucker Bean rides in a hot air balloon. Seeing peach trees makes him drool. Tucker Bean wears beads, feathers, and a mask. He throws confetti in the air. When the clock strikes 3, I come home from school. Tucker Bean yawns, he scratches, he stretches. Did you have good dreams? Did you chase bunnies? Did you bury a bone? I asked Tucker Bean. Tucker Bean winks, jumps up, and licks my face. I think my little dog has a big secret.